Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: level, quest items, and currency. Once done, head straight to the starting NPC or quest board at X 452Y 118 to accept the Lightning Key quest. Make sure to equip a weapon that benefits from lightning affinity and carry 1/2 stack of resist potions to survive early shocks. You'll immediately receive a waypoint and objective marker. Follow it now to avoid backtracking. Don't waste time on optional tasks. Once you're in the active zone, focus on defeating the 3 lightning guardians within the 12-minute timer. Their shield breaks on staggered combo attacks, so chain abilities to interrupt. Then move to the rune puzzle room and match the 4-pattern sequence displayed on the pillars. Observe color and rhythm cues to avoid traps. While clearing enemies, collect charged shards. You need 6, and each guardian drops them at roughly a 25% rate. So keep momentum, and don't reroute to loot every corpse. To finish, place the 6 charged shards into the relay pedestal and initiate activation. This summons the final sentinel. You must defeat that sentinel within 90 seconds to cause the lightning key to materialize, so position and cool down your strongest abilities beforehand. If the key doesn't appear, first verify your shard count and pedestal state, then relog or reset the instance to clear a spawn bug. If problems persist, repeat the Guardian run once more. Consistency fixes most progression lockouts and saves time overall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.